Good evening. Today is 15th December 2020 Tuesday. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and this video show discusses intraday and swing trading strategies for the Nifty and the Nifty Bank futures. For today, our view has been the same. This market is at lifetime new highs. When a market is at lifetime new highs, we want to look for buying opportunities and not go short. That's how I trade. Now naturally, there are so many ways of trading and there may be other ways also, and there are many ways, probably superior. But I don't want to fight the trend if the trend is clear. And at this point the trend is very clear. There is no confusion. We are in an uptrend. The second point is that I get very puzzled if I am taking both sides of the trade. Now I am long, half an hour later I am short, I get all puzzled. So I prefer to take only one side of a trade. Even when we are following our algo systems, they take only one side. They don't actually go on and off quickly. But that's one part of it. So for today, the view was the same. We will look for buying opportunities. The market opened down with a downside gap, then started sliding. There was nothing to buy. At some point, the Nifty stopped falling. And since we were very sure we are only looking to buy, that stopping of the decline told us perhaps there is an opportunity to go long. I did go long in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty both by buying options, call spreads. You had to be a little patient because the market did not suddenly go up. They went choppy sideways and then they started going up, luckily. So it was a good day, all said and done. I must also point out that I had long positions from yesterday. So they had to be cut in the morning when the market started sliding. So there was that overnight loss and intraday gain, and it balanced out. So at least there was nothing to go minus about. The reason why we ended up with satisfaction without any losses on overnight trades is because we were prepared for only one side of the trade, long side. So when the markets fell, we said, okay, I think we should go long now. The markets were finding support that was visible on the charts, worth buying into. Had I been thinking I may go short, I may go long, depending on what I do, it would have been very confusing and unlikely to have come to such a decent end result. Now, what about tomorrow? There's something I want to share. For 3 days now, the market has become choppy. It is true that it recovers from the lows. On Friday also it recovered, today also it recovered, yesterday also it was choppy, that it did see a bounce from the lows that it made. But all said and done, it is now searching for lows. It's not as if, it opens and then continues to go up or just consolidates. It goes through sharp declines. Now, it is possible to say that this is a random occurrence and too much need not be read into it. Sometimes this is the beginning of a topping out pattern. So, we don't know which one it is, random or the beginning of a topping out pattern. But we will keep in mind that this pattern has been emerging for the last 3-4 days. That's all. Keeping in mind is not trading. Just you keep it in the back of your mind. Add it to the context that you already have. The trade is for tomorrow. Again, look to buy. If the market starts falling, we are not trying to catch falling knives. Only if we find support, we will go long. If the market decides to go down tomorrow, as it well may, I would not go short. We are at lifetime highs. That's why. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lot of fun. Trading is really, really enjoyable. Jai Hind.